Okay. Describe a book that you have read many times.
I still remember when I was a kid. It was my 10th birthday, and my parents gave me a book as a present. I wasn't expecting a book. I was expecting a game because I found of to play games, and I was not happy with that gift. And in night, I started to read that book. It was the
I
Harry Potter.
started to
I
read.
started to read the book, and it was the Harry Potter first series, and I just um, read the couple of pages, and it's fascinating, and
It was
it was very
fascinating and it was very
it
past
was
tense.
it was very enjoyable. So after that, in the morning, I again started to read. I started to read the remaining book, and in that night, I thanked to my parents for giving me that special book. After that, I love to read the books oftenly.
Okay, thank you so much. You need to change your overall style. Like you deliver five, six sentences, then you take a break, and you're not looking up, you're looking down. It shows that you've written everything. Yeah, I know you've not written. So in actual exam, I would advise you not to look down. If you don't want to face the examiner, just look at the recording device. On the table, there will be a small recording device. Just look at that, okay, and then speak. Because when you look down, you don't communicate, and you have to communicate your answer to the examiner. Although there is no marking criteria, but still, in order to influence a human being, you need to do that. Okay? Good. Describe a speech you gave or describe a talk you gave to a group of people.
Hello. Uh, okay, so nowadays universities have different departments and they have enrolled many students as well. So last week, I received a call from one of my beloved teacher, and he is now working as head of Department of Food Science and Technology in University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. So sir requested me to come over to university and have a talk with the students on uh, uh, talk with the students of food science and technology departments. So the talk was all about what kind of what sort of possibilities are awaited for the for the students of 8th semester, because they are almost they have almost completed their study term, and few of them are already on internships. So I discussed with them, like, what is the scope of the food science and technology degree, what kind of jobs they can perform in the private sector. So that was the whole idea about that talk. Uh, so the reason being, I gave that talk is, the teacher felt that there is a dire need of mentorship or
Okay,
coaching.
thank you so much. You said you know 14 times, correct? So there should not be such repetition of any specific word or any specific phrase. Now, second thing is issue in the tenses. Your answer is describe a speech you gave, but you made some present sentences also. So try to focus only second form of the verb. Then next thing is fluency. So you need to work on all these topics so that you could speak comfortably, okay? All right, describe a new store or shop that has recently opened.
Well, nowadays people are preferring business than other jobs, and due to this reason, new shops, stores, and industries are opening day by day. Recently, a huge Dream Cafe has recently opened in my township, and it is located across the main road with three main entrances. It has a vast parking with free of cost. There is a variety of garments, toys, and home appliances that we can buy from there. Moreover, there is a sale at Sunday, and there is a huge crowd at Sunday. In addition, they are also providing the facility of cafe. It is always crowded with people married peoples are going there to celebrate their anniversaries and birthdays. College friends and school groups are also visiting to have some coffee. Not only cafe, but they are also providing constructing a cinema to watch movies with their family or college trips. It has recently opened in my township, and I think so that it is providing the most facilities than all other cafes.
Okay, it's very good. 1 minute 11 seconds. Overall good. Keep it up. इसी तरह से जितने भी टॉपिक्स हैं ना, सब पे कुछ ना कुछ रेडी कर रहे हैं. Right? Good job. Okay, let's go on. The next topic is describe a place away from your home and you want to visit that place in the future.
Yeah, well, today I would like to explain my future visit. Actually, I'm a guy who loves to visit different places.
Who loves to visit?
Who loves to visit different places all around. Like I have done in my country with my friends, not and with my family as well. But in the future, I'm planning to visit the Dubai to celebrate my birthday and also like a Happy New Year in the future coming next winter. So I'm trying to save money for that visit and to visit the purpose as I told you, the birthday and like a Happy New Year. And also I want to visit like underwater zoo in the Dubai, and I loves to do skydiving. I have also like watch in the movies and on the YouTube. So that's my plan to visit that places with my friends. And like in the New Year plan, like a lot of people all around the people visit Dubai. So that's why I'm planning to visit that place.
Okay, excellent. Overall, very good. Keep it up. Collect 50,000 dirham. Then you can do all these things. Okay? The tickets are very expensive for these things. Like skydiving, 2 to 3,000 dirham they charge. So, but anyways, don't worry. You'll enjoy. Okay? Good luck. Okay. Now let's go on. Topic number 28. Okay. Describe an adventure you would like to go on.
I love to traveling and I will do lots of adventure in future inshallah. Few days ago I done my tour with in Kashmir with
I
my
visited Kashmir, or
I-
I made a tour to Kashmir.
I made a tour to Kashmir with my friends and I enjoyed most beautiful places there like Kale, Arankale, etc. And inshallah I will make a plan to tour Fairy Meadows because uh, it is so beautiful, so greenery there, and I will do this tour with my friends because it makes me more happy. Uh, I will enjoy jet ski, chairlift,
Yeah, jet skiing.
jet ski, chairlift, and I will do hiking also there. Uh,
Okay. All right. You should speak a little more, right? It'll be fine. Thank you.